In today's video, I'll show you how to find the missing folder pane in Outlook. If your folder list suddenly disappears and you can't see your inbox, sent items, or any folders on the left side, it's usually just a display setting that changed. The folder pane is the vertical section on the left that shows your mailbox structure, and when it's hidden or minimized, Outlook becomes confusing to navigate. To bring it back, start by going to the ribbon at the top of Outlook. Select the View tab, which controls how Outlook appears on your screen. Even if your window is narrow, the View tab will still be visible. Inside the View tab, look for the Layout group. This section manages panels like the Reading pane, To-Do bar, and Folder pane. Click Folder pane to open a small drop-down menu with display options. Choose Normal to restore the full folder pane. This instantly brings back the complete folder list on the left, letting you see all your accounts and folder structure again. This is the most common fix when the pane disappears. If the menu shows minimized, the pane is collapsed into a thin bar on the far left. In that case, look for a small arrow, usually a chevron, on the edge of the window. Click it to expand the pane back to normal size. You can also drag the side of the pane to adjust the width. After doing this, your folder list should be visible again. If it happens in the future, just return to View Folder pane Normal. Keeping it set to normal ensures the panel stays visible every time you open Outlook. That's all you need to restore your missing folder pane. This quick fix helps keep your Outlook layout organized and easy to navigate.